Hello guys, this is Maitnir here with a tech tutorial video. I have had some issues for a while trying to run old games on my modern PC, and I have been facing a frequent problem with some games display resolution on my monitor. The problem is basically when you try to run an old game on your modern PC or laptop, you see the game isn't filling your monitor's display while running, and you see black bars left and right. That's because these old games were designed to run on low display resolutions because back in the day, ultra resolution monitors we have nowadays didn't exist. We have here as an example this ancient Hitman game, and as you can see the game is not filling my monitor's display. So how to fix this? After searching for a while, I have finally found the solution for this problem. If you have a CPU with integrated graphics installed on your PC, you can do these steps to fix the problem. Most of the people have either an AMD CPU or an Intel CPU on their computers, so I will cover the steps for these two CPUs. I have on this laptop an AMD CPU with integrated graphics, and here are the steps for AMD CPUs. Open AMD Radeon software, go to Settings tab, then go to the Display sub-tab, enable GPU scaling option, then set the scaling mode to full panel. Now let's test the game again. As you can see, the display is all stretched now to fill my entire monitor's display. Now if you have an Intel CPU with integrated graphics, I have recorded the steps for Intel CPUs from another PC. Here are the steps. Open Intel Graphics software, go to the Display tab, expand the general settings, set the scaling mode to GPU scaling, and set the scaling method to stretch. This will do the trick for you if you have an Intel CPU with integrated graphics. If you have a CPU with integrated graphics from another manufacturer, I'm pretty sure the software of this CPU has its own GPU scaling option. So search for this and change your settings, you get the concept here. If you have a CPU without integrated graphics, try to search for the GPU scaling option on your main external graphic card software. Sometimes this trick doesn't work. If it doesn't work, that means the game's engine itself wasn't programmed to handle big display monitors. In this case, you are left with the only option to lower your monitor's display resolution to fit the game you are trying to run. That's it for this tutorial video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment and tell me in the comments which nostalgic game you were struggling to run. This was Maitnir here, and thank you for watching.